Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, in this topic we are going to discuss about living world in time. Living world in time mean the time from the origin of life to today life. This time is organized in the form of a chart. So this living world in time is also indicated a chart that is called geological time chart. This geological time chart is represented in the form of 4 major periods. These major periods are called eras. One of them is Proterozoic era. Second is the Paleozoic era. Third is the Mesozoic era. And fourth is the Cenozoic era. This initial Proterozoic era is near about 1000 to 2000 millions years ago. Actually, this period is 1000 to 2000 million years old. In this period, first life originate on earth, and first prokaryotes and eukaryotes were appeared in this period. Second is the Paleozoic. This Paleozoic era further divided into 6 periods. These 6 periods are Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian periods. Cambrian period is near about 600 million years old. In this period, first invertebrates and algae were appeared. Actually, according to this time chart, first invertebrate, that is the group of animals that not contain backbone, were appeared in Cambrian periods about 600 million years old. Next is the Ordovician period, that is 500 million years old. In this, vertebrates among the vertebrates, first vertebrate, that is jawless fish, were appeared in this period. Next is the Silurian, that is 440 million years ago. In this, fishes, amphibians, and bryophytes, that is the group of plant, were appeared. And in Devonian period, that is 400 million years old, In this period, amphibians, arthropods, and bryophytes become prominent, while in Cambrian period, that is near about 350 million years old, in this period, first reptiles were appeared, and among the plants, vascular plants start to appear, while in Permian periods, that is 270 million years old, in this periods, reptiles, vascular plants, fungi become prominent, while in Mesozoic era, that further divided into 3 sub periods. One is the Triassic period, that is 230 million years old. In Triassic periods, among the reptiles, dinosaurs were first appeared. Among the plants, gymnosperm plants were appeared in this Triassic period. Next is the Jurassic period, that is 180 million years old. In this period, dinosaurs become prominent. This Jurassic period is actually the period of dinosaurs, but in the next Cretaceous period, that is 135 million years old, due to unfavorable condition of these dinosaurs and some other factors, these dinosaurs become extinct, and mammals start to become prominent. While in Cenozoic era, that is actually the era for mammals, birds, further divided into 2 periods. One is the Tertiary period, that is 70 million years old. In this period, mammals, insects, fungi, birds become prominent, while the second Cenozoic era period is Quaternary period, that is called recent period. In this recent period, today life, that is most prominent in the form of human beings, insects, birds, and angiosperm amongst the plant are become prominent. So this time chart indicate the life from origin of life to human, and in the form of a chart. This chart is called geological time chart. This geological time chart is organized on the basis of fossil record. What are fossils? Fossils are dead, preserved material of extinct organisms. These preserved dead material of extinct organism appear in the rocks. Rocks are in the form of sediments. In deeper sediments, fossils appear, indicate the most primitive fossils of organisms, while in recent sediments fossils appear, indicate the member of advanced animals. On the basis of these layers, from deeper to recent layer, we actually organize these organisms in the form of a chart. The organisms that were actually obtained in deeper sediments and deeper layers indicate the member of primitive, and the organisms that were appear in the recent layers and recent sediment indicate the advanced animals. How we can calculate these ages of their periods? Ages of their periods are actually calculated through the aging the rocks. These aging of rocks can be calculated through the help of radioactive isotopic elements. With the help of these radioactive isotopic elements, we can calculate the age of rocks, and actually when we calculate the age of rocks, that is near about, for example, 1000 to 2000 old, and the fossils that were obtained from that rock actually indicate their age, that is 1000 to 2000 year old. This age of rocks can indicate the fossils and their age. With the help of these rocks and fossil age, we can organize this chart, and this chart is explain how life originate on the earth, and with the passage of time due to gradual changes, this life become simple to complex and finally appear recent in the form of advanced animals, in the form of human beings, and this time chart is called living world in time. Thank you very much.